If you're looking on how to start a gaming cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a gaming niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys a great one so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we have to start to think, what was someone interested in gaming, what would they look up? So I looked up top 5 GTA, but I know that GTA is a popular game in the gaming community. Let's just look up top 500 funniest fails. Now as we literally look at this video, this may be a complication of just different videos combined together, but this can just show you that you could literally, in the gaming niche, you could just record your screen and this is the content itself. So if you really enjoy, playing the video game itself, this is a great niche for you, as you can just be literally playing the game, recording the screen, and that's your footage. So these are all just funny fails that we see go on in the GTA game itself. And you can also be doing a narration as you're playing the video game as well, talking about what the specific things you're doing on in the game, which weapons are you getting, what's your game plan, what's your strategy in order to complete a mission in the specific game. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, I can see that this video by itself has over 7 million views. The channel itself, GTA Media, has over 700,000 subscribers, and there's great user engagement as there's over 1,300 comments on this video alone. Now let's go see the channel to see the type of content that they're producing, and let's see if I could come up on any more GTA cheat codes. If I go into GTA Media, I can literally just see that it's just funny fails that go on throughout the GTA game. The 500 best GTA wins. There's some more funny fails. So I could mainly see that this is a GTA fails and GTA wins type of channel. But this channel just goes to show you that there are many options that you can do on your favorite video game as well, as this is only exploring just one video game. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below, what is your favorite video game of all time? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization, how much money they're making in ad revenue alone, and how many views this channel is getting. If I go onto this website right here, I can now see the channel statistics. So as I scroll down, we can now see that over the last 30 days, this channel is getting close to 2 million views just in the last month. This is a crazy milestone to hit. Shout out to this channel on this accomplishment. And just in their monthly earnings, they're getting 7,000 throughout the month just in ad earnings. And throughout the year, these guys are most definitely making close to that 6-figure mark, as this channel is reaching 86,000 in just yearly ad revenue. You can easily be making 6 figures of playing your favorite video game and uploading it onto YouTube. The best thing is they didn't even have to show their face to make these videos. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage of our favorite video game, and let's go put together some sounds and put it all together. And by the way, you do not need the most expensive camera, and you don't need to reveal your face in any of these videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like making a video game without doing all the hard coding. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know as well in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that this niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There's just a large audience out there that is very invested in playing video games themselves. And the amount of different types of video games on different consoles that you can be exploring with for your content are endless. There's also new video games coming out each and every season, each and every year. So you will always have fresh content ideas. The gaming niche is also a sub niche of the technology niche. As we all know, the technology niche is a higher CPM niche. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. I would also like to let you guys know that the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we went over, I would highly recommend using them as inspiration. Try to be original with your own content creation. This is also just one niche, so don't worry guys if this may not be the niche for you. We're going to be going over many more in future videos as well. But let's say this is the niche for you. You now have two options. You have option A, You can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some of your time as you're gonna try and figure out how to do YouTube correct. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If the step-by-step guide is something that you'd be interested in, I would highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without making any of the videos yourself. Peace out.